In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the spot pattern on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other videos showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube, and you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So as well as the normal algorithm letters, F, B, L, R, etc., sometimes you do need to use a few extra letters for these middle rows. For example, this middle row here, we will give the letter M for middle, and that would be MI. For this row here, we give the letter E, and the E is for equator, and that way would be E, that way would be EI inverse. And for this one here, this side one, we give the letter S, and that would be S, and that would be SI. Now it's not very often we need to use these letters, but for these first few patterns that I'm going to show you, we will do. So to do this pattern, we just need to use a very simple algorithm, and that algorithm is E, S, EI, SI. So let's do that. We go E, S, EI, SI. And there we have the spot pattern in the middle. So to undo this pattern, you want it like this, where you have three colours. For example, not like this. If you see here, these colours don't match. This white, well, we don't have a white outer. We've got orange here, we don't have an orange outer either. We're here, we've got yellow, yellow, blue, blue, orange, orange. So we've only got three colours, you want it like that. And then we can just repeat the same algorithm 2 more times. For example, we go E, S, EI, SI. We still got the pattern, but the colours have rotated. And then we do it one more time. E, S, EI, SI. And there we're back to a completed Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.